What it do? So what I got going on, I'm gonna take my front calipers, I'm gonna move them to the rear on the 4.9-inch floating axle. Excuse me, I sound funny. I'm sick right now. So I already started on the other side. I made the other caliper bracket, and then I'm gonna show you how I did it, or I'm gonna show you snippets of how I did it through the process. So I had these originally for the rear axle brake setup, but I had to modify it to this. So what I did was right here on the notch, I drew a line, I cut here, I cut here. I made a template off the caliper itself. I made a template off the caliper. Trace it out over here. I'm sorry. I traced it out over here somewhat. And then what I did, I took the caliper and I clamped it to here to get my shape. And after I clamped it, make sure it was secure, I took my small drill bit, started the hole on each side, and then I worked my way up from the smallest to the biggest, smaller to bigger. So I got my lines marked. I'm gonna cut these off, tabs off. After I cut the tabs off, I'm gonna make the two pieces together and get them even. I took the disc brace off the front of the El Camino, moved to the rear axle of the El Camino. Just quick overview, rundown. I modified these brackets, right, to make it work. I tacked it twice. And that's how I converted my, that's how I put my front brakes onto the rear axle. So this here is my brace. It's not welded on yet. I'm waiting to get some argon CO2 mix before I weld everything in on the axle.